Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Keswani and I will show you today how to sort an array. So I have made a Java file named as sortarray.java. That's why I have a public class named as sortarray. So first of all I will define a main method. So public is static void main string args, and then I will have to take a array. So suppose I want to take an array named A, and then we should initialize it with some values. So let's initialize it with the integer values. So let's initialize it. Yes, and let's initialize it with some values. Suppose 10 comma 5 comma 8 comma 45 comma 12. Yes, and yes. So now I have initialized my array, and now what I need to do is I have to take a temporary variable. So let's take a temporary variable, say temp, because which is initialized to 0 initially. And now what I have to do is I have to swap the numbers and arrange it in the ascending order. So what I will do is I will use two loops. One loop will be using to traverse through the first index, and the other loop will take care of the second number after the first index. So let's take two loops for this. For int I is equals to 0 and I is less than equals to a dot length. So a dot length method, what does it do? It will calculate the length of the array. So I plus plus, and then I will use another loop so as to check the other number. For int j is equals to, and this time I will take I plus 1, I plus 1, and j is less than equals to same array dot length, a dot length, dngth, and j plus plus. And now what I will do is I will compare the values at the index of traverse by a as well as traverse by j. So how to do that? I have to check the if else condition. In if else condition, if a of I, that is the index at the ith location, is greater than the number at the jth location, so a at j. So if the condition evaluates to true, then only the loop will execute, otherwise it will not execute. So if this loop evaluates to true, that means the first number is greater than the second number, and so on. So if this is the case, then we want to push the bigger number at the end. So here I will be using a temp variable to store the ith value at the ith location. So a of I, and then I will, oh sorry, it should be I, and then I will at the ith location I will simply push the jth element, so a of j, and then at the jth location I will push the temporary variable which was initially stored at the ith location. So that's all, and now I want to print the series. So outside this for loop, outside this for loop I need to write another for loop for int I, and this I is a local variable and this is another local variable, so don't confuse that these variables are same. So int I is equals to 0 and I is less than equals to n, oh sorry, a dot length, array dot length, dngth, yes, and I plus plus Now I will simply write a print statement system dot out dot println, and here I will print the index a of I. Yes, that's all. And after this I need a space as well. So that's all, simple. So now let's run this program. Right click here and run file. So it is taking some time, please wait. Our result will come here. So I am getting some errors at sorted main. So let's check what is the error. So error is that I have traversed the loop from 0 till the length of the array. So I should have not do this. I should be just writing I less than a dot length, because I am traversing the loop from the 0th index. So that's why that it was giving me error, and here also the same mistake I have done. So now let's run and run this file again and wait for the result. So now you can see that we have got a result as 5, 9, 10, 12, 16. That's absolutely fine. We have got our array in the ascending order, and so that's how you can sort an array in Java. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such programming videos. Thank you.